Imagine this. You're drowning in a sea of tasks, projects, and deadlines. Your to-do list is longer than your arm, and your productivity is sinking faster than a stone. You've tried countless tools, apps, and methods, but nothing seems to stick. Have you ever wondered if there's a magical solution out there that can streamline your workflow, boost your efficiency, and bring order to the chaos? Well, today we're diving into one of the most popular project management tools on the market, Asana. And we're tackling a burning question. Is it worth paying for Asana? Before we jump into the pros and cons, let's quickly understand what Asana is. It's essentially a virtual workspace where you can plan, organize, and track your projects. Think of it as your digital command center, helping you stay on top of everything from small tasks to large-scale initiatives. Free versus premium. The key differences. Now, the million-dollar question. Is Asana's free version enough? Or should you upgrade to the premium plan? Let's break down the key differences. Features. The free version offers essential features like task creation, assignment, and basic project management. However, the premium plan unlocks advanced functionalities like custom fields, time tracking, and integrations with other tools. Team collaboration. While the free version allows for basic team collaboration, the premium plan offers more robust features like team dashboards, comments, and it mentions storage and limits. The free version has limitations on the number of projects, tasks, and storage space. The premium plan provides more flexibility and allows for larger-scale projects. Pros of paying for Asana. Enhanced productivity. With advanced features like time tracking and custom fields, you can gain better insights into your team's performance and optimize your workflow. Seamless integrations. Asana integrates with a wide range of tools, including popular ones like Google Workspace, Slack, and Salesforce. This can save you time and streamline your processes. Prioritization and organization. The premium plan offers features like advanced search and filtering, making it easier to prioritize tasks and keep your projects organized. Improved collaboration. The premium plan's collaboration features can enhance communication and teamwork, leading to better project outcomes. Cons of paying for Asana. Cost. The premium plan can be a significant investment, especially for small teams or individuals. Learning curve. Asana's premium features can have a steeper learning curve compared to the free version. Potential overkill. For smaller projects or teams, the premium plan might offer more features than you need. Is Asana Premium worth it? The answer to this question depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're working on large-scale projects, need advanced collaboration features, or want to integrate Asana with other tools, the premium plan might be a worthwhile investment. However, if you're a small team or individual with simpler project management needs, the free version might be sufficient. Additional considerations. Alternatives. Before making a decision, consider exploring other project management tools like Trello, Monday.com, or ClickUp. Each tool has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to compare them based on your specific requirements. Free trial. Many project management tools offer free trials, allowing you to test the premium features before committing to a paid plan. Asana is a powerful project management tool that can help you streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Whether you choose the free or premium version depends on your specific needs and budget. By carefully considering the pros and cons, you can make an informed decision about whether Asana is the right fit for you and your team. Have you used Asana before? What are your experiences with the free and premium versions? Share your thoughts in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.